Pingo, and it's basically a sub-cooler. It keeps all your beverages below freezing, but if you look at it, it's not frozen. So it uses kind of the same concept, essentially the same concept behind snow. You know how snow, it's still liquids in the clouds, maintained well until it's the wind and other weather factors that agitate it, and then when it falls, it becomes more crystallized, like snow, right?
So what is this, a fancy refrigerator that's going to keep my beverages right around the freezing temperature?
Exactly, and then when you pour it, it becomes slush. So let's let the subcooler drinks do the talking. You can pick a beverage of your choice.
Okay,
I know
first,
you're thirsty.
let me experiment with the water here.
Okay, great.
I'll just get a couple bottles of water, and then what are you supposed to do with this?
Okay, so take one and just agitate it. Hit the bottom really hard. There we go. Ooh,
Oh,
that
wow.
was good. So
Oh, wow, this is amazing.
this one actually solidified really well. I do want to kind of, preface all of this by saying that for the sake of the show, we put the freezer, the subcooler in. You need a good 2 hours. We're a little bit shy of the 2-hour mark.
Wow, it's working fine.
But this one seems to work great.
Let's try it one more time. Okay, that's
I
gonna
think
work.
you need your hand. There we go.
All right, there.
And so then it starts to solidify. And you can see, our viewers hopefully can see that almost instantaneously, it's becoming icy and slushy.
I really like this drink.
Okay, there we go. So if you do the same thing, you can have fun again. And then pour it right away. There we go. And then it's slushy. So this is great for, well, this kind of looks like a cocktail, right? But this is also great for children because, like, think about milk. It works not only for glass bottles, but aluminum, paper, whatever it is, like milk cartons. You pour out the milk, it becomes kind of like a slushy smoothie shake.
And then we'll have you have one of these.
Thank you.
Okay, so we looked at one item that helps you knead dough as well as ferment the dough and also bake it as well. And you can use a lot of the leftover foods that you have, especially if you have leftover rice, and add it onto that. And also a fryer that doesn't use any oil.
It's great, right?
How good is that? And it tastes great. And this
Subcooler.
wonderful subcooling, I don't know what you call it,
It's
but
a
it's great.
subcooler.
Thank you very much for these three
Thank
items.
you. Cheers.
Cheers, look at that.
It's good.
You
It's
can
refreshing.
have the margaritas at home.